I'm recording this today on Star Wars Day. It is May 4th, 2017. And this is Charred Remains, aka Aunt Beru. Only people who are into power violence would understand that reference. This is from Hasbro from 1998. So there's Aunt Beru. There is Shmi Skywalker. From what I understand, Shmi Skywalker is Aunt Beru's husband's stepmother. They're the ones that brought Anakin to Owen and Beru, and he became Darth Vader. And this is really Luke Skywalker's de facto mother. She's the mother figure in his life because mom died. His dad went crazy. Became that dude right there. This is Aunt Beru with her service droid. She's a moisture farmer. I don't know what those two little things are right there, but we're going to find out. It's got this little flashback photo doohickey. And I got this for actually less than $3. It was $3, and they had a 15% off sale at an antique mall, the Ohio Valley Antique Mall. So yeah, this is like a little... There's Aunt Beru. And there's Shmi Skywalker. I don't know, like, what you do with this. Like, I mean, I guess you just have it. I don't know. It doesn't really... Kind of a weird thing. But here's the woman we're after. It's a pretty decent likeness. I think Hasbro did an okay job. The articulation's kind of to be lacking, because especially this hand, it's kind of strange, but her head might be a little bit small. I don't know, she's, you know, her knees are, no, she doesn't have articulated knees. So not a lot of articulation. And here's her little droid guy. It's kind of funny because here it says that a new Star Wars movie will premiere next summer, episode 1. So this is like before episode 1 came out. Coming summer of 1999 to galaxies everywhere. New characters, vehicles, and worlds. You want to buy stuff, of course. So there's that. And let's see. I don't know what that is, but I guess that can go in his hand. This little dude. So you almost get two figures for the price of one. In a way. And I'm sure this little... looks like a beer. We'll call that his beer. Gets lost. And then this, what is that? A toolbox? A tissue box? I don't know. Can he hold the tissue box? He can. They're like the exact shape of his hand, but doesn't really want to like go in. Right here, look, his tissue box doesn't really fit in there either. That's kind of dumb, but I don't know. I mean, it sort of does. So there she is. I don't know if she's going to stand too well on the carpet. If you saw this and you weren't really like super into Star Wars, you would have no idea what that is. I mean, it looked like a Golden Girl action figure. But I've said before in other episodes, you know, it's good to show, you know, diversity of characters in toy lines and films and any type of media. So to have, you know, a woman of age, I think is good. Obviously, you know, I don't think too many kids are clamoring for that. This is made probably more for collectors, but you know, I definitely think that's positive. So there she is. He's got her soda and her box of tissues, and you know, we got her little flashback deal right there, which is kind of a thing that's hard to display. And may the Force be with you. Hopefully your aunt and your mother figure don't get killed by Imperial stormtroopers. That would be kind of sad, but it happens.